Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama Sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sama Sambuddhassa. Homage to the Blessed One, the Perfect One, the Supremely Enlightened One. Radiations of universal love. One, may I be free from hatred, free from ill will, thus be free from afflictions, sufferings, and conduct myself happily, live happily like me. May my teachers and preceptors, mother and father, kith and kin, well wishers, all beings who are well disposed towards me, beings who are neutral, beings who are hostile, may they all be free from hatred, free from ill will, and thus be free from afflictions, sufferings, and conduct themselves happily, live happily, and be free from sufferings, and not be deprived deprived from all the good things accrued to them rightly, for all beings are subject to the result of their actions. Two, may all beings who are breathing, all living characters, all individuals, all sentient beings, all females, males, all females, all males, all noble ones, all not noble ones, all divine beings, all human beings, all non-human beings, all those who are in the plant states, all who are living in this monastery, in this monastic dwellings, in this locality, in this city, in this country, be free from hatred, free from ill wills, and thus be free from afflictions, sufferings, and conducts themselves heavily, may they all be free from sufferings and not be deprived from all possessions accrued to them rightly, for all beings are subject to the law of karma and its results. 3. May all beings who are breathing, all living characters, all individuals, all sentient beings, all females, all males, all noble ones, all not noble ones, all divine beings, all human beings, all non-human beings, all those who are in the plane states, may all who are living in the eastern directions, in the southern directions, in the western directions, in the northern directions, in the northeastern directions, in the southeastern directions, in the southwestern directions, in the northwestern directions, all beings below, in the downward directions, all beings above, in the upward directions, be free from hatred, free from ill wills, and thus free from afflictions, sufferings, and conducts themselves happily. May they all be free from sufferings and not be deprived of whatever possessions rightly accrued to them, for all beings are subject to the law of karma and its results. For in the upward direction till the ends of the worldly spheres, and downward till the very bottoms of hell worlds, and all the spheres of existence around those beings who are earthbound, may they all be free from hatred, free from ill will, thus be shorn of suffering and mischief. All water-bound beings, may they all be free from hatred, free from ill wills, thus be shorn of sufferings and mischief. All space-bound beings, may they all be free from hatred, free from ill wills, thus be shorn of sufferings and mischief. Thank you, all my Dhamma friends, well-wishers, all my devotees, hello, how are you? All my Dhamma friends, well-wishers, and devotees. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. All my thank you.